Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done, read the sentences and answer the questions about these from the story. We have already done B exercise. Now today we are going to start with the C1. C1 is answer these questions briefly. We have been asked questions from the chapter and you have to answer that. That is question and answer. We have to write all these question and answer in your notebooks only. Now open your English literature notebook to a fresh page. First of all, write today's date in that. Classwork C. Answer the questions briefly. First of all, put this heading and write the first question. You have to write. Now today we are going to do 5 questions. 5 questions from our English literature notebook, that is from chapter 2. Now open to your English literature notebook to a new page and let us begin with the question and answer. Now, as yesterday we have done the B1, that is answer the questions, read the sentences from the story and answer the questions. Now today we are going to do answer these questions briefly. In this, first of all, what you all are going to do is put today's date in your notebook. Classwork, answer these questions briefly. Put this heading in your notebooks. Now let us begin with the question and answer. You have to write these question and answer in your notebooks only. First one, when Winky tells Nani that he wants to go with her to the park, why does she pick up her shopping bag? When this question is asking, when Winky tells Nani that she wants to go with her to the park, why did Nani pick up her shopping bag from there? Answer for this is, when Winky tells Nani that he wants to go with her to the park, she pick up her shopping bag because Nani tells her that they will go to the lane of treasure doing shopping. Nani tells Winky that when Winky tells Nani that he want to go with her, then Nani picks up her shopping bag because she says that they are going to the lane of treasure doing shopping, because in the lane of treasure they get each and everything, as Nani have told in the story. So answer for this is, when Winky tells Nani that he wants to go with her to the park, she picked up her shopping bag because Nani tells her that they will go to the lane of treasures doing shopping. After writing this question, form a small line at the end and move to question 2. Question 2 is, in what does Winky see a piece of her favorite sari and bit of his mask kurta? In this you have to tell, where does Pinky see a piece of her favorite and a bit of mask kurta in the sari? You have to tell this. Answer for this is, a lady gives Nani a godhi, in which Winky sees a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of mask kurta. When Nani and Winky have gone to the lane of treasure and lady gives Nani a godhi, in which Winky sees a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of mask kurta. When lady gives a godhi, in that Winky sees the piece of mask kurta there. So a lady gives Nani a godhi, in which Winky sees a piece of her favorite sari and a bit of mask kurta. After writing this answer, form a small line at the end and move to question 3. Question 3 is, what is the name of the lane behind the school? In this you have to tell, you have to name that lane that is situated behind the school. What do Nani and Winky see there? You have to tell, what do both of them see there? Answer for this is, it's the lane of mischief. Nani and Winky see children playing Langdi, Langodi and Sakili. It's the lane of mischief because Nani and Winky sees children playing Langdi, Langodi and Sakili. These are the traditional games, sports type of games. So, after writing answer 3, form a small line at the end and completing this answer 3, move to question 4. Question 4 is, what is special about the lane of dreams? You have to tell what was special about the lanes of dreams which from where Nani and Winky have gone. To answer for this is, the lanes of dreams have more books than Winky's school library. The lane of dreams was having much more books than Winky's school library was having. This was the special thing about the lanes of dreams. Now let us move to question 5th. Question 5th is, what does Winky think about when he reaches the park? You have to tell what was Winky thinking about when he reaches the park. What does he want to do after that? When Winky and Nani both have reached to the park, what did Winky think there and what did they wanted to do next? You have to tell this. Answer for this is, when they reach the park, it has been a long time since they left home. When they reach the park after moving through many lanes, and when Nani have shown Winky many of the lanes, it has been a long time since they have left their home. Winky looks around and thinks of all the people and the places he has seen that morning. When they reach the park, Winky remembers all the places, all the people in the park, and remembers all the things which they have seen in the morning. Winky was just going through all that whichever he has seen in that morning. So answer for this is, when they reach the park, it has been a long time since they left home. Winky looks around and thinks of all people and places he has seen that morning. Now, here we complete with the question and answer. You have to write all these question and answer in your notebooks only. Write it neatly. Homework for you all is to, you have to learn the second reference to context, which we have done yesterday. Thank you.